Alright, gang, how's everybody doing? How's everyone? I hope you guys are doing well. So today's Wednesday. There is a trade I took today. Actually, not today, yesterday. Yesterday I held it over the night. Okay, so I'm going to break down for you why I took this trade, how I took it, what happened, all the emotions involved in this trade. So I'm going to talk about this trade. So as you can see, the trade is in profit. How many pips is it? It's a 44 pips in profit. So I might probably hold this trade over the night, tomorrow, or the whole week. Now, so let me break down for you why I took this long trade. Well, first of all, I want you to know that okay, let me correct it a bit. So this is not the original stop loss. This is stop losses after. Let me show you the original stop loss where it was. It was around here, yeah. It was around here. It's like 25 pips. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's start our breakdown of the market structure from the weekly time frame. So last week we took a loss. Yeah, I told you about that thing, about that trade. There's a video. So on GBPUSD, I always trade the GBPUSD, of course. I don't trade other pairs. So why did I take this trade? So this trade is like, as you can see on the weekly time frame, it's a bullish trend. This, you can see this on this trend line. So it's going up from the 2023, going up here. It broke the market structure around here. It broke the market structure around here. So it came and it retested around some kind of support zone around here. Then it break above it, and the previous resistance zone became support zone here, and then I drew this trend line. So on weekly time frame, so the trend is bullish, so I'm looking for buys now. So this is clear bullish trend. It's not something, it's consolidating around here, but the consolidation zone is really big pips. How many pips? It's like around 500 pips. It's really large amount of pips for GBPs, for Forex pair. For gold it's nothing, but Forex pair actually basically this GBPUSD Forex pair moves in a day minimum of 60 pips. No, maximum, I don't know maximum how long it moves, but in a day it moves about 60 pips. So our goal is to catch around 50 to 60 pips on every trade my trades I took. So I try to catch. So it went not, so second touch I drew this trend line, so it's perfect. It was a perfect place to take the trade. So here they came here, this created this rejection candle right around the trend line, so it was like clear bullish trend. So let's go down now. So how am I going to get my entry from this trade? So it came back down, it's created around here. It was yesterday it was the whole day like bearish candle. Then after during the night it became like this, it created a rejection during the night, but the whole day it was a bearish candle. But it became down here, and then it tried back. Like yesterday was Tuesday, so on Monday it created this bullish momentum. Yesterday it retested back, so I took the trade when it was retesting around here. If we see on the lower time frames, on the 4-hour right time frame, as you can see, it broke above this 20 EMA. So it broke above it, then it was retesting down. So I took this trade yesterday here, Tuesday, around here, after this rejection, after this doji candlestick. right here. So right here I took the trade yesterday. Then throughout the day it was just sleeping. The trade is not moving at all. I was thought about it. Should I close it or not? No, I should just let it run. Then the whole day it was just crazy around here. It was all the whole day sleeping. I didn't move an inch. Like it didn't move any pips, 10 pips. Like it was just jumping around down and up. And then when it comes to the lower time frame, after it a little bit kind of short bullish candle, and then it came back to my stop loss area. And then it all throughout the night, and I didn't see this biggest candle. So it's just launched back around like that was not around, like it was around 5 p.m. It's around 5 p.m. No, it was not 5 p.m. Yeah, 5 p.m. Checks this biggest bullish candle up, and then wow, I said wow, like let me hold this position. I was like, okay, it's going to be bullish. And it came around here, it was retesting here, and I was holding. It's just game of holding, you know. First you make the entry and you put your stop loss at the right place, and then you hold it. Then I hold it. I didn't do anything, so I just hold it because came back down. Hold it. It looks like it looked like it was changing its direction or reversing, but I didn't close it, so I hold it. And today, thing that worried me was the news. So there was a news like I don't know, around 10, around 4, I guess 16 on 24 hour, around 3 or 4 there was a news on both GBP and the USD. So for that news I put my stop loss around here, like I should lose small. Now I knew if I make it break even, it's going to like touch it and the back push back. Like I said, this was the news candle. So like 4 p.m. yeah, it was like around 4 p.m. it was came here and then touched the entry point and it pushed back. Now the time's like around 9 p.m. so trade is in profit. So you just hold it. The basic game of trading is just holding. I probably gonna hold this trade. It's because it's strong bullish trade. So strong bullish trade, I expect it to go all the way up. On 15 minute on lower time frames, it looks like it was reversing, you know. You see, most probably like the beginner trader is never gonna have like the get to hold this trade when it was like going down like this, right? It's just messing around. It's already testing, you know. You just have to hold it, 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 hold it. You know, holding is the biggest part of trading. Being patient, not closing, you know. Okay, then I probably gonna hold this trade throughout the week. Like today is Wednesday, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow too, because it's like strong bullish trend. You know? It's a strong bullish trade. It's even like it didn't even start. It's bullish higher highs and higher lows. You know, it's creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and the 20 EMA, the green one, is crossing the 50 EMA just now. You know, which shows it's going to be strong bullish on the ladder. So I'm expecting all the 160 pips to hit. So I probably gonna hold this. I'm not gonna touch. I probably will add a position when it retests, and then I'm gonna keep holding. So in trading, so the biggest game is, you know, you do your analysis, you enter the trade at the right time, and don't ever change your mind. You know, don't ever change your mind. You just learn from the loss, even if it's going to be a loss. Learn from the loss. Don't ever change your mind 10 times in a single trade. You know, it's really bad. You're never gonna know what went wrong or what went right. So what you did wrong or what you did right. If that's not, you're not gonna improve ever. So you have to know what you did wrong. That happens after you made a choice. You just keep it until the last the TP or the stop loss. Now when you reach to a level where you don't just make a choice based on your emotions, when you make a choice based on your rational reason. So when you reach to that level, okay, you can do something to the trade, because there is a trade management. You just don't let it run. First you see the market structure, then there is you enter the trade, you then trade, you manage the trade, you also manage your risks, and then these three combined together give you like a good edge in the market. So that's the thing about the trade. We made back the money we lost last week on the profitable trade. That's magic of me. I lose money on a profitable trade, on other trades that are going to my direction. So what else is left? So yeah, see you with I'll come back to you with your update. This is what looks like GBPUSD. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment your ideas, and I will try my best to get back to you. Okay, thank you all.